How to increase video quality in VLC Media Player. Hey guys, and welcome back to Delve Stack. In today's video, I'll show you how to increase video quality in VLC Media Player so your movies, videos, and clips look sharper and clearer. Sometimes videos look blurry or washed out, especially older or low resolution files. Luckily, VLC has built-in video enhancement tools that let you improve sharpness, brightness, contrast, and more in real time. Stick around because I'll show you exactly how to make your videos look better step by step. First of all, open VLC Media Player on your computer, click on Media, and then open File and select the video you want to improve. Play the video so you can see the changes as you adjust the settings. Click on Tools from the top menu, select Effects and Filters, or press Ctrl+E on your keyboard. This will open the Adjustments and Effects window. Click on Video Effects tab in the window. You'll see sections like Essential, Crop, Colors, Geometry, and Advanced. Make sure you are in the Essential Color section to enhance brightness, contrast, and gamma. You'll see sliders for brightness, contrast, saturation, and gamma. Move the sliders to improve video quality. Contrast will make colors pop and enhance clarity. Brightness adjusts light levels for dark or dull videos. Saturation makes colors richer and more vibrant. Fine-tunes midtones for better overall picture. Go to Advanced section to enable sharpening or denoise if needed for low-quality videos. You can adjust slowly and watch the video in real time to avoid overdoing the effects, which can make the video look unnatural. Some important things to remember are that VLC enhancements do not permanently change the file. They only affect playback. Over-adjusting can cause colors to look unrealistic, so make small incremental changes. Updating VLC ensures you have all the latest video enhancement features available. Increasing the video quality in VLC is perfect for old or blurry downloaded videos, movies with poor lighting or dull colors, low-resolution tutorials, lectures, or gameplay, making videos more visually appealing during playback. And that's it. That's how you increase video quality in VLC Media Player quickly and easily. If this video helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe for more simple VLC tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.